Welcome to Ferret Survival Guide. In this video, we're going to look at first aid kits for ferrets. Usually your vet will send you home with everything you need, but having a well-stocked first aid kit can come in handy. Remember, don't give medications or use ointments without talking to your vet first. Human medications can be dangerous for your pets. In no particular order, the Ferret Illness Symptom Chart created by the Ferret Association of Connecticut. If your ferret is acting funny, this is a great resource, but just because an illness is listed here doesn't mean that's definitely what's going on. However, this can give you some good insight and things to ask your vet. SuperClot for small cuts or nails cut too short. Styptic powder works for cuts too. This can sting. You can also use cornstarch or flour in a pinch. Gauze pads, gauze wraps, cotton swabs or Q-tips, Karo Syrup light in case of an insulinoma sugar crash. Honey can also be used. FerretVite or NutriCal. These are high in sugar and are good for insulinoma crashes or to help convince a sick ferret to eat. These should not be used as a daily supplement, contrary to the label. Meat baby food. Beechnut or other healthy brands are good. These are helpful for sick or recovering ferrets. Carnivore care or EmerAid for sick ferrets who need some convincing to eat. Petroleum jelly like Vaseline for blockages. Salmon or Pollock oil. Pumpkin puree or baby food to firm up diarrhea or for blockages. You can store it in the freezer for prolonged shelf life. AlphaTrak II for testing blood glucose. Pedialyte unflavored to help if a ferret is dehydrated. Note that it is basically sugar water, so only use this in an emergency. An ice and heat pack. Washcloths. A small blanket or bath towel. Cotton balls. Tweezers for splinters or small objects in a wound. A cotton ball can soak in vinegar and release ticks, then use the tweezers to remove them. Health records and a list of any medication your ferret is currently taking. Your veterinarian's phone number. Canola or olive oil. In a worst case scenario, if your ferret does not like any of the other oils but needs some convincing to take medication, these are a good option. Pollock oil, another good option in case your ferret doesn't like salmon oil. Scissors. Rubber or latex gloves. Baby wipes. Try to find some without aloe, since it can be toxic to ferrets if ingested. Adhesive bandage tape. Empty spray bottle. Syringes for feeding and medication. A larger 10 ml is good if you need to force feed. Vets will provide the right size you need with the medication they prescribe. A nail file, tick removing kit, cat nail clippers, a pill crusher and cutter. It's easier to administer crushed pills mixed with a few drops of water. A flea comb, saline solution for eye rinse, ear cleaner, etc. An eyedropper, Benadryl itch stopping cream. This is not for daily use, usually for irritated skin or mast cell tumors. Ask your vet prior to use. "24-hour emergency veterinarian phone number, ASPCA animal poison control number, or pet poison helpline. Do note that there might be a consultation fee. Antibiotic ointment like pseudocream. Make sure it has no bacitracin. This is very toxic to ferrets. Preparation H for prolapse. You can also make a paste of sugar and water and apply it to the prolapse. Betadine solution or Vetericin for cats, an antiseptic that soothes cuts, sores, and skin irritations. A flashlight. EMT first aid gel for pets. This should only be used upon vet approval. This is for cuts, scrapes, burns, surgery wounds, etc. It reduces bleeding, pain, itching, and protects the wounds. Obviously, you don't need to stock up on everything immediately, but it is good to have on hand. If you know something we forgot, drop a suggestion in the comments.